What's up guys, I'm back and now I will be reacting to Soyoung Bridge Over Troubled Water. So without any further ado, let's go! Very angelic voice, and she's beautiful. Very lovely. The judges haven't felt the song. They're closing their eyes. Very emotional. The audience were mesmerized. Oh my god. Grabe na din vision niya. Oh my god. We Filipinos love to hear those kinds of ranges. Yung mataas ang boses pero maganda sa tenga. Grabe. She's my queen. My number one singer in South Korea. For me. Because there is emotion. The way she sang the song. And she's beautiful. And the fact that she's Korean, then I like her so much. I'll try to react to Morissette next time. And shout out to sino yun? Bards Interno. And thank you to Amir Yahira for the suggestion, kasi she gave me the suggestion to react to this song. That's it. And guys, if you have any suggestions, requests, or to any videos you want me to react, just drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Bye.